Hey photographers and Nikon fans, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a portrait shooter, landscape lover, street photographer, or into wildlife and video, your lens choice makes all the difference. And with the Nikon Z system expanding rapidly, 2025 has brought some amazing lenses into the spotlight. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Nikon Z lenses in 2025, lenses that are blowing minds with image quality, performance, and versatility. Whether you're using a Z5, Z6 II, Z8, or even the flagship Z9, this list will help you pick your next favorite piece of glass. Let's get started. Starting off strong, we have the Nikon Z 24-70mm f2.8s, still holding its crown as the best all-around zoom lens in the Z lineup. This lens is an absolute workhorse, super sharp from edge to edge, even wide open at f2.8. Whether you're shooting portraits, events, landscapes, or even video, it delivers stunning results. The fast aperture gives you beautiful bokeh and excellent low-light performance. Plus, it's weather-sealed, rugged, and surprisingly compact for a pro-grade zoom. The autofocus is lightning fast and silent, making it ideal for both photography and video. If you only invest in one lens for your Nikon Z camera, this is it. Next up, we have the Nikon Z 85mm f1.2s, and let's just say, portrait photographers, this one's for you. Released recently and already a favorite among professionals, this lens creates dreamy, creamy bokeh and incredible subject isolation. The f1.2 aperture not only gives you a gorgeous shallow depth of field, but also exceptional low-light performance. It's tack-sharp, even wide open, and the rendering is simply beautiful. Skin tones look natural, contrast is rich, and colors pop. It's big and not cheap, but if you're serious about portraits, it's worth every penny. At number 3 is the Nikon Z 70-200mm f2.8 VRS, a must-have for sports, wildlife, wedding, and event shooters. This lens brings the classic 70-200mm focal range to the Z system in stunning fashion. The optical quality is jaw-dropping, razor-sharp with beautiful compression and smooth natural bokeh. The built-in vibration reduction, VR, ensures your shot stays sharp even at slower shutter speeds. It also supports Nikon's teleconverters, making it even more versatile for distant subjects. The build is solid, weather-sealed, and professional grade. It's one of the sharpest 70-200s ever made. For all you wide-angle lovers out there, the Nikon Z 14-24mm f2.8s is a dream come true. It's incredibly compact for an ultra-wide f2.8 zoom, and the image quality is simply next level. Landscapes, cityscapes, night skies, this lens eats them up with zero distortion, stunning clarity, and excellent corner sharpness. It's also perfect for real estate photography or immersive vlogging shots. The flare resistance and ghosting control are outstanding, even when shooting directly into the sun. And the fact that it now supports screw-on filters? Game changer. This lens is ultra-wide done right. Rounding off our list is the Nikon Z40 Mini f2, the budget-friendly beast that punches way above its price. It's compact, lightweight, and has surprisingly good image quality. The 40mm focal length is super versatile, wide enough for street and everyday use, yet tight enough for casual portraits. It has a fast f2 aperture, which gives you nice background blur, and it's perfect for travel, vlogging, or just keeping your kit light. If you're a beginner or need a discreet do-it-all prime lens, the 40mm f2 is one of the best values in the Z lineup. There are a few others worth mentioning: the Nikon Z 135mm f1.8s Plana for ultra-premium bokeh lovers, the Z 28-75mm f2.8 for budget-conscious shooters wanting a constant aperture zoom, and the Viltrox 85mm f1.8Z for third-party lovers. Nikon's Z mount is growing fast, and the quality across the board is impressive. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best Nikon Z lenses in 2025. Whether you're building your first kit or upgrading your glass for professional work, these lenses represent the best of Nikon's mirrorless ecosystem. Got a favorite Z lens that didn't make the list? Drop it in the comments and let the community know. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future gear reviews and photography tips. Until next time, stay creative and keep shooting.